Freedom is secured not by the fulfilling of men's desires, but by the removal of desire. Epictetus. Welcome to this insightful discussion on mastering self-control and resilience through the lens of Stoic philosophy. In this video, we will delve into the 10 Stoic tricks that can help you harness the power of silence as your ultimate weapon for self-control. Through the ancient wisdom of Stoicism, we will explore practical and transformative techniques that can empower you to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. And it's essential to be patient until the end to gain complete access to this transformative knowledge that holds the potential to alter the course of one's life. Before we dive into today's video, do remember to give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our content. Hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated on more engaging content like this. Trick 1. Set clear intentions. One of the foundational principles of Stoicism is the power of setting clear intentions. The Stoic belief in distinguishing what is within our control and what is not allows us to focus our energy on what truly matters. By aligning our intentions with what we can influence, we can cultivate a greater sense of self-control and peace of mind. As the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius wisely remarked, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Setting clear intentions allows us to create a sense of purpose and direction in our lives. It helps us to focus on our goals and enables us to make the most of our time and energy. By defining what we want to achieve and setting specific actions to reach our goals, we can stay motivated and committed to our objectives. Clear intentions also provide us with a framework for making decisions and help us to stay true to our values and principles. When we have a clear understanding of what we want to achieve and why it matters to us, we are more likely to make choices that align with our long-term vision. In essence, setting clear intentions empowers us to take control of our lives and become the architects of our own destiny. Trick 2. Impose self-restraint. Temperance and self-restraint were central virtues in Stoic philosophy. By imposing self-restraint, we can resist immediate gratification and make rational decisions that align with our long-term goals. Seneca the Younger, a renowned Stoic philosopher, emphasized the importance of self-mastery and self-discipline, stating, "True happiness is to enjoy the present, without anxious dependence upon the future." This concept of self-restraint is not about depriving oneself of pleasure, but rather about exercising control and moderation. It allows us to avoid impulsive actions and instead make deliberate choices that contribute to our overall well-being. By practicing self-restraint, Trick 3. Let go of external opinions. The Stoics advocated for letting go of the need for external validation and opinions. Epictetus, a prominent Stoic teacher, encouraged individuals to listen more and speak less. By releasing the grip of external opinions, we can cultivate greater self-control and inner tranquility, focusing on our thoughts, actions, and judgments rather than being swayed by the opinions of others. In a world where social media and constant connectivity can amplify the voices and opinions of others, it's more important than ever to practice detachment from external validation and instead focus on our own internal compass. By doing so, we can develop a greater sense of self-reliance and confidence, unshaken by the ever-changing tides of external opinions. Letting go of the need for external validation allows us to live authentically and in alignment with our true values and beliefs, free from the influence of others' opinions. So take a step back, listen to your own inner wisdom, and let go of the need for external validation. Trick 4. Embrace adversity. In Stoic philosophy, adversity is viewed as an opportunity for growth and self-improvement. By reframing challenges as opportunities to strengthen our character, we can exercise greater self-control in the face of obstacles. Marcus Aurelius, one of the most revered Stoic emperors, advised, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Embracing adversity allows us to develop resilience and grit, enabling us to navigate through difficult times with a sense of purpose and determination. Rather than being overwhelmed by adversity, we can use it as a catalyst for personal development and growth. In this way, we can shift our perspective from seeing challenges as setbacks to seeing them as stepping stones towards our goals. Embracing adversity also allows us to cultivate a sense of inner peace and equanimity, knowing that we have the strength and fortitude to overcome any obstacle that comes our way. So, instead of shying away from adversity, we can choose to embrace it as an opportunity for self-mastery and transformation. Trick 5. Nurture mindfulness. Mindfulness is a powerful tool that can help us navigate the complexities of life with grace and resilience. By cultivating a practice of mindfulness, we learn to recognize the patterns of our thoughts and emotions without becoming entangled in them. This practice allows us to approach challenging situations with a sense of calm and clarity, enabling us to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. In essence, mindfulness is about being present in each moment, fully engaged with whatever is happening without judgment or attachment. In Stoic philosophy, this concept aligns with the idea of focusing on the present moment and cultivating a deep awareness of our inner state. The Stoics believed that by observing our thoughts and emotions with a sense of detachment, we could gain greater control over our reactions and find a sense of peace and equanimity. By nurturing mindfulness, we can develop a more profound understanding of ourselves and the world around us, leading to a more fulfilling and purposeful life. So, take a moment to pause, breathe, and bring your attention to the present moment. Embrace the practice of mindfulness and let it guide you towards a more centered and balanced way of being. Trick 6. Cultivate resilience. The Stoic emphasis on cultivating resilience in the face of adversity serves as a powerful tool for developing self-control. By embracing a mindset of resilience, we can maintain self-control and perseverance through life's trials. The teachings of Epictetus remind us, it's not what happens to you but how you react to it that matters. This focus on resilience allows us to build inner strength and endurance, enabling us to bounce back from difficult situations and continue moving forward with determination. It encourages us to see challenges as opportunities for growth and learning, rather than as insurmountable obstacles. Cultivating resilience also helps us to stay calm and composed in the face of adversity, allowing us to make rational and wise decisions even in difficult circumstances. In a world full of uncertainties and challenges, the ability to cultivate resilience is a valuable skill that can help us navigate through life with grace and fortitude. Trick 7. Seek virtue in action. According to Stoic philosophy, true self-control stems from aligning our actions with virtue. By seeking virtue in our actions, we can strengthen our self-discipline and lead a purposeful life. This involves embodying Stoic virtues such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance in all our endeavors, fostering a sense of integrity and self-control. Aligning our actions with these virtues allows us to make decisions that are in harmony with our moral compass, leading to a life filled with meaning and fulfillment. Practicing virtue in our actions also helps us to overcome challenges and adversity with a calm and rational mindset, as we are guided by our principles rather than impulsive reactions. Ultimately, seeking virtue in our actions is a powerful way to cultivate a strong and resilient character, and to live a life that is in accordance with our highest values. Trick 8. Live in harmony with nature. Living in harmony with nature also involves being mindful of our impact on the environment and striving to live in a way that is sustainable and respectful to the earth. This means being conscious of our consumption and waste, and making choices that minimize harm to the planet. It also means finding joy and solace in the natural world, whether it's through spending time outdoors, cultivating a garden, or simply appreciating the beauty of the world around us. When we live in harmony with nature, we also strive to live in harmony with our own nature. This means understanding and accepting ourselves, our emotions, and our limitations. It means prioritizing our mental and emotional well-being, and nurturing a sense of inner peace and contentment. By aligning with our own true nature, we can live more authentically and find greater fulfillment in our lives. Ultimately, living in harmony with nature is about finding balance, both within ourselves and in our relationship with the world around us. It means living with intention and purpose and being mindful of the interconnectedness of all things. In doing so, we can cultivate a sense of tranquility and wholeness that enables us to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. Trick 9. Expand your sphere of influence. By focusing on what is within our sphere of influence, we can channel our energy towards meaningful pursuits and exercise self-control over matters within our control. This principle advocates for prioritizing our efforts and attention, directing them towards areas where we can make a tangible impact. The Stoic mindset encourages us to concentrate our efforts where we can affect change, rather than being consumed by external factors beyond our control. By expanding our sphere of influence, we not only increase our capacity to make a positive impact on the world around us, but also enhance our ability to navigate challenges and obstacles with resilience and determination. Embracing a mindset that places emphasis on our ability to shape our own destiny allows us to cultivate a sense of empowerment and autonomy, enabling us to take ownership of our actions and decisions. As we expand our influence, we gain a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of our actions and their ripple effects, inspiring us to approach our choices with greater intention and mindfulness. Ultimately, expanding our sphere of influence enables us to lead more purposeful and fulfilling lives, grounded in a sense of agency and responsibility for the impact we have on the world. Trick 10. Cultivate gratitude. Practicing gratitude is a fundamental aspect of Stoic philosophy that fosters contentment and inner peace. By cultivating gratitude, we can appreciate the present moment and find fulfillment in what we have. This empowers us to exercise self-control over our desires and nurture a sense of tranquility. The wisdom of the Stoics echoes this sentiment, emphasizing the power of gratitude as a tool for cultivating resilience and inner peace. Gratitude also allows us to shift our focus from what we lack to what we already possess, fostering a positive mindset and a greater sense of abundance. By acknowledging the good things in our lives, we can approach challenges with a more optimistic outlook and find the strength to overcome adversity. Additionally, expressing gratitude can strengthen our relationships and bring joy to those around us, creating a ripple effect of positivity. Cultivating gratitude is a practice that requires mindfulness and reflection, but its benefits are undeniable. As we strive to incorporate more gratitude into our daily lives, we can experience a profound transformation in our perspective and overall well-being. Incorporating these 10 Stoic tricks into your daily life can empower you to use silence as your ultimate weapon for self-control. By embracing the wisdom of the Stoics, you can navigate life with greater resilience, inner peace, and unwavering self-control. As Epictetus reminds us, we cannot choose our external circumstances, but we can always choose how we respond to them. Through the power of silence and the timeless teachings of Stoicism, you can master the art of self-control and resilience, navigating life's challenges with strength and poise.